Hey everybody, it's the mobile home mama jumping into a 2-bed, 2-bath home called the Walkerton. This is 849 square foot. We're walking right into the living room. There's Benji. Say hi, Benji.
Hi.
There's Benji. I am the mobile home mama because that's my baby boy, Benji. And we're coming into a wide open living room. Here, what I love about this is all the cabinetry, and I love the colors that they've done. They've done Lysola black with the black laminate backsplash and added in the brick accent wall. So lots of standard cabinetry. We've got all these uppers and lowers everywhere. Here we've got the staggered cabinets up there, uppers and lowers, and another set over here above the refrigerator. Let me back up just a little bit because this home, we've got an extended bar right there where you could easily place some bar stools. We've done the microwave over the range, dishwasher, 18.2 cubic foot refrigerator, the old school, freezer on the top, fridge on the bottom. White trim, added a package it looks like because we've got the mini blinds. You can also do those separately. Coming in to find the back door, and both doors are on the same side in this particular version, but you could do, this is the reverse aisle, you could flip it the other way so that you have a front door in the front and a back door in the back. Here's the laundry area, furnace, and here's another home that has a nice little dining area as well. Coming into the primary bedroom, always got a big window there on the far side. That's a 46 by 61. They took the accent wall all the way through on that back wall. You can see it going into the primary bath there. Here we've got an extended vanity, a 3-bulb light strip, and when we peek behind the door here, they've even added a walk-in shower. I just love this floor plan. It's only 2 bedrooms, but I say only because that could work either way, right? If you don't need a whole lot of bedrooms, you've got lots of space here in the kitchen and the living room. Here's the secondary bedroom. It's a nice size. Let's take a peek in the closet. And finally, the hall bath, which is right behind the front door. So if you really gotta go, when you run in the house, you've got a bathroom right there waiting for you. 3-bulb light strip, vanity. I just love this black and white color scheme. Check out the sale page. This one goes on there a lot. I'm the mobile home mama, starting to warm up. Please come see me. And thanks for watching.